Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Daddy Finger. Miraculous is one of the most popular cartoons for kids in the recent days. Miraculous Box plays an important role in the cartoon series. Having a Miraculous Box Cake with all the miraculous edible fondant on it make the birthday a very special one. For making this cake, you need 2 round cakes. To start with, stuck the 2 round cakes with cream frosting. Take the 8-sided paper cutting of the Miraculous box and keep on top of the cake, and start cutting the cake in the desired shape. Once the 8-sided Miraculous box cake is cut, start covering them with cream. One tip for covering the cream is to start with a rough covering and then keep the cake in a refrigerator for 2 minutes so that the cream gets a little hard. After this, you can shape the cake better. Cover the top layer alone with the red fondant and then cut the edges out to have the 8-sided top. Now let's make the drawer on the sides. For this, you need to cut the chocolate fondant in rectangular shapes. It is better to cut the rectangular shape with a piece of paper matching the exact cake size and then trace it on the fondant. Once all the side chocolate fondant covering is done, try to smoothen the edges of all the 8 sides. Now coming back to the top, we need to make the Miraculous holders for keeping all the Miraculous. Let's start with the center, which is Cat Noir and Ladybug Miraculous holder. Take a round biscuit and cover it with chocolate fondant and then cut black and white fondant in the shape of the Miraculous holder and keep on top of them. Now it's time to cut the Miraculous holder for all Miraculous, starting with Nuru Miraculous holder with a purple color. Fox Miraculous holder with orange color. Queen Bee Miraculous holder with yellow color. Carapace Miraculous holder with green color. Peacock Miraculous holder with blue color. Now let's make the drawer on the side. Take a knife and mark the drawer edges on the side. Once you have a drawer on all sides, take mini Smarties and keep them in the center of the drawer so that it looks like a handle. Let's cut the Edible Miraculous with fondant. For cutting all Miraculous, it is better to cut the shape on a piece of paper and keep it on top of the fondant and start cutting them. The most special Miraculous Box Cake is ready for your party.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.